Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I am here with a new concept, angle and its measurement. First I will tell you more topics related to it. I will teach you the basics, and then afterwards I will solve the sums related to it. Now, first point in angle and its measurement is directed angles. See, let me draw a figure. Consider this O as vertex. This is the angle made by two rays. Let us name this as X point and this point as P. This is our initial ray. This is angle theta made by this ray, and this is our terminal ray. See, this is the initial ray OX. OX is our initial ray, the starting point, you can say. O is the vertex, the point at which the point of reference at which this angle is made, and this OP is our final position of ray, that is called terminal ray. And this ray forming this pair is called as arms. So we can say the pair of rays formed is called arms. Now, on two factors this directed angles differ. That is, first one, magnitude, and second one, direction. Now, in magnitude, we have first a point, that is zero angle. Zero angle means, let me draw a figure for your better understanding. This is vertex O, this is point P, and this is point X. So in the figure you can see this, the initial terminal and initial ray and terminal ray coincide each other and forms zero angle. This is called as zero angle. And another type is, next type is straight angle. Straight angle, let me draw a figure. This is our vertex point O, this is our point X, that is initial point, and this is our final point P with reference to O. Here O is vertex, this is initial ray, this is terminal ray. Here the angle formed is 180 degree. As this is in a straight line, this angle is 180 degree, and from this we can say this is a straight angle. So our next point was coterminal angles. See, here is the vertex O, the point X, and the point P. Here it is the initial ray, this OX is initial ray, OP is terminal ray. This OX is rotated anti-clockwise, so this OP is formed in this direction is anti-clockwise, and this direction is clockwise. When it is rotated in clockwise direction, the initial terminal can also meet this initial ray can meet this terminal ray, and if this OX is rotated 360 degree and then again rotated at this angle, then also the position will be same as that of first angle. Here we have rotated OX completely in 360 degrees, and then again we have rotated it from OX to OP. This is also the other type in which angle can be measured, and these are the three types in which coterminal angles depends. And then further we'll meet with direction. Here direction has two subtypes, that is positive angles and negative angles. Here for the positive angles the measurement is always anti-clockwise. Here in the direction, positive is considered as anti-clockwise and negative is considered as clockwise. Here in on this ray, initial position is OX and final ray, that is a terminal ray, is OP. This angle formed is positive angle as the initial ray is rotated from OX to OP. Here this displacement is minimum, hence it is positive. And for the negative angle, here the initial ray is moving in clockwise direction in bottom from the OX to this bottom OP, and this is called as negative angle because here in the direction the major factor is to reduce the displacement, and for this positive angle is considered as anti-clockwise and negative angle is considered as clockwise direction. On this basis this direction depends. Here we have another point, that is standard angles. For the standard angles we have to draw x and y axis. See, basically standard angle is the angle made by two axes perpendicular to each other, or we can say perpendicular drawn to straight angle, that is this. Consider this as vertex O. This is x y axis, this is negative x negative y. This is a simple graph. If the angle is in first quadrant, this, it forms theta. This theta can be calculated with reference to this y, and here this y, x and negative of x and negative of y are the references. Here the value of angle OX is 0 degree. Similarly XOY is 90 degrees. XO negative of x is 180 degree. XO negative y is 270 degree. XOX also XOX is also written as 360 degree, as this is a complete rotation formed by OX here, so this angle may be angle is 360 degree. For this angle, see, In straight angle we have seen this complete angle xo negative of x is 180 degree, but when we draw perpendicular to this line, so 180 divided into two parts of 90 each. Similarly in the bottom, this is again 180 degree, and this perpendicular drawn divides this into 90 each. Hence these are the standard angles, and you can measure this theta with reference to this y, that is, let us consider as this is p. So if you are knowing this value, this, that is alpha, you can write 90 degrees is equal to alpha plus theta. If this alpha is known, you can easily calculate theta is equal to 90 minus alpha. Hence these standard angles are very useful for the measurement in trigonometry also. Now we have a next point as coterminal angles. Before also we have seen this coterminal angle, but now coterminal angle are the angles which are the multiples of standard angles. As the before I have not taught you standard angle, so I am taking this afterwards again. So coterminal angles are the reference multiples of standard angles, mainly of 360 degree. Let us take a sum for your better understanding. See, first sum: determine which of the following pairs of angles pairs of angles are coterminal. See, we have a sub question 210 degrees comma negative of 150 degrees. So the addition of these two angles should be multiple of 360. If it is a multiple of 360, then we are having coterminal angle. So let's see, 210, neglect the signs, negative of 150 degree, that will be equal to 360 degrees, and it is a multiple of 1, so this is coterminal angle. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me for more such videos. Thank you.